If your thermostat is unresponsive after wiring, quickly verify power and connections so you don't leave your heating or cooling system offline. Start by turning off power at the furnace or air handler to avoid shorts. Then remove the thermostat cover and check for 24 volt between the red and common terminals with a multimeter. If you do not see 24 volt, trace back to the transformer at the control board and verify the transformer secondary output is present and not grounded. Confirm the common wire is actually connected at both the thermostat and the control board. Loose commons are the most sneaky cause of intermittent power. Use needle nose pliers and a magnifier to inspect for frayed strands touching other terminals. If you have a battery-powered thermostat that still shows a blank screen, test batteries first, but also verify the red power LED is delivering voltage when batteries are removed, because some smart thermostats require both. For smart thermostats that need a power adapter or charge, check for a charging circuit fault by measuring voltage at the thermostat board pins while the thermostat is plugged in. A drop below 22 volt under load signals a weak transformer or long thin wire run causing voltage drop. If a jumper is required between red and heat or red and fan for legacy systems, confirm it is installed per the manufacturer diagram and removed for devices that expect a dedicated common. Misjumpering can lock out the device. Tighten all screw terminals and, when possible, replace push-on connectors with screw terminations. A single strand under a screw can break contact and cause intermittent unresponsiveness. Finally, if wiring and voltage check out but the display remains dead, swap in a known good thermostat or bench test the control board to isolate whether the issue is the thermostat unit or the home wiring and transformer. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is missing common wire causing no power for smart thermostats. Fix this by running a new conductor from the furnace control board common terminal to the thermostat location or install a power adapter kit that provides a stable common. One of the next frequent problems is incorrect terminal placement. People put wires under the wrong screw or mix up white for heat and yellow for cooling. Correct by labeling each conductor at the furnace, following color to function maps, and confirming with the thermostat wiring diagram. One of the third typical issues is voltage drop on long runs or undersized thermostat cable causing device brownout. Remedy that by measuring underload voltage, upgrading to 200 gauge or thicker thermostat cable for runs over 50 feet, or installing a line voltage step-down transformer closer to the thermostat. BigHomeProjects.com is a directory that connects homeowners with vetted local contractors for thermostat wiring, replacement, and HVAC work, so you can find someone who will follow the checks above. We help contractors get work by listing certified pros, showcasing verified reviews, and making it easy for homeowners to compare bids and hire trusted technicians.